Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money from Cash App to Discover Bank. Quick fix step. Open your Cash App on your mobile device. Log into your account if prompted. On the home screen, locate and tap the banking icon. This icon is usually represented by a bank or house symbol. Next, select the Cash Out option. Enter the amount of money you wish to transfer to your Discover Bank account. After entering the amount, tap on the Cash Out button. You will be prompted to select the transfer speed. Choose either standard for a free transfer or instant for a small fee. Tap on Cash Out to confirm your choice. Now, you'll need to link your Discover Bank account if you haven't done so. Go back to the banking screen and select Linked Accounts. Follow the prompts to add your Discover Bank by entering your account details. Once linked, return to the Cash Out process. Confirm the transfer amount and select your Discover Bank account. Verify all the details are correct before finalizing the transfer. Tap on Confirm to initiate the transfer. You should see a confirmation screen indicating your transfer is processing. Check your Discover Bank account after a few minutes for the transferred funds. If you chose the standard option, it may take 1 to 3 business days to complete. If you chose instant, the funds should appear within minutes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.